Alright, I'm back. So I got a lot of views on my video with Marshmellow, so I had an idea. What about Marshmellow Fluff or Marshmellow Cream? What do you guys think is going to happen? And if you guys want to see something in a microwave or recommend a video that we do, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. So this is a fresh can or jar of Marshmellow Fluff, and we're gonna microwave it and see what happens. You guys cannot see the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this glass plate out, the rotating thing out, and see if that allows you guys to see it over there. It does. It's already expanding. But how much is it going to expand? Oh wow. That's gonna be a big mess to clean up. I think it might empty the jar. That is a lot of Marshmellow Fluff. It's all over the front door now. Holy crap. That's gonna be a mess. It's still coming out of the jar. Alright, let's start it again. See if we can get more to come out of that jar. It just keeps coming and expanding. Oh, sorry. Trying to make it to where you guys can see a little bit better. And I'm sorry my camera mount is not the greatest. It's still expanding. It's all over the bottom of the microwave. And it's still coming out the top. I think we're about done now. I feel a lot of heat coming off the microwave. Oh, no, it is still expanding. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now because it is starting to melt and turn brown. But if you guys want to see something else put in the microwave or any other video, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.